A Day in a Life of Mrs. Lauren Gibson by Kayla, Akayla Morgan, and Tania Robinson. Mrs. Gibson is a CSU student that is working at St. Mary's Elementary. Here she is arriving to work. As she gets out of her vehicle, she has a big, beautiful smile. Ms. Gibson is getting her bags out of her vehicle. She is getting her binder, her lunch, her folders, and other papers for the day. Here is Mrs. Gibson as she signs in for the school day. As you can see, Ms. Gibson is talking to Ms. Morrison that works in the office as she signs in. Here she is unpacking her things. Ms. Gibson is unpacking her binder, her lunch, her folders, and other papers for the day. Now she is writing the class morning math work on the board. Ms. Gibson does this job every morning. Here is Mrs. Gibson helping a student with a math problem. As you can see, she is helping the student, Tania Robinson. Ms. Gibson talks to Ms. Sharp about her lesson plans. Ms. Sharp is her college teacher. Ms. Sharp teaches as any other teacher would. Ms. Gibson reads a book called Hatchet to the class. As you can see the look on her face, she looks very interested in the hatchet. She is ready to eat her lunch in the classroom with Miss Dickerson. As you can see, Miss Gibson has her drink and her sour cream and onion chips all ready for her lunch. Ms. Gibson is teaching our class a science lesson. As you can see, Ms. Gibson is helping Tavon Bird, Akayla Fluella, and Tania Robinson. Now she is sorting out class papers to be graded. As you can see, Ms. Gibson is hole punching the papers. Ms. Gibson talks to a student about the science lesson. Ms. Gibson is talking to Thaddeus Askew. We will miss you, Ms. Gibson. Ms. Gibson graduated on December 9, 2013 from Columbus State University.